Sometimes you'll find you'll get a quadratic equation that doesn't have a c value, and that actually makes our life a little easier because we don't have to go through the whole ABC process. We can just see what is common to both terms on the left-hand side. So I'm looking at this, and I'll look at the numbers first. What is common to both 10 and -8? Well, that's 2. 2 goes into both numbers. Then I say, what is common to x squared and x? Well, of course, x goes into both of those numbers. So then I set up my parentheses, and it's equal to 0. Now I have to ask myself the question, what do I multiply by 2x in order to get 10x squared? To multiply 2 by 5 will give me the 10, and multiplying x by x will give me the x squared. Then I have to say, right, what do I times by 2 in order to get -8? And the answer is -4. And what do I multiply x by to get x? The answer is just 1, so I don't have to write anything there. Now you'll notice, once again, I have 2 factors. This time I have 2x, and I also have 5x minus 4. We do the same thing. We put each of those equal to 0 to solve our equation. So let's do that. Let's say if 2x equals to 0, then I divide through by 2, and I'll end up with x is equal to 0, because 0 divided by 2 is just 0. Let's have a look at 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. So I can add 4 to both sides, and I'll end up with 5x is equal to 4. Then dividing through by 5, I will end up with x is equal to 4 over 5. So even though we don't have a value of c, we'll still end up with 2 solutions.